Hi guys, how are you doing? Thought I would give you guys a holler tonight and just let you know that I finally crossed over into the 150s. I am so excited right now. It's like I want to do the happy dance, yay, scream, 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 but I'm not. I'm just gonna take it easy, mellowing out tonight. My weight is now at 159.6, and wow, that's just awesome. HCG just rocks. I am, like I said, just following protocol the best that I can, and it seems to be doing all right. Want to say thank you to everyone who has posted recipes and has vlogged and given advice, and it's just been great. Delmam, you've outdone yourself again. Of course, with all of the new stuff you have for after we are done with P2 and we're doing the maintenance. That's great, because so many of us will be searching and looking and wanting to find stuff. For most of you guys that are done and are doing maintenance, are you pretty much just going the low carb route, not really having much sugars and breads or anything like that? Maybe Ezekiel bread? I don't know. I'm just a little bit curious about after HCG and beyond that, I guess. Just some questions on that. So if any of you guys have any words of wisdom, just let me know. That'll be great to sort of know what to plan for the future. For now, I have 15 more pounds to go before I get to my weight that I think I would really like to be at. I'm over half done with the part of the protocol. I would really like to see, I'm hoping, I don't know if I'm actually going to lose that much more weight before I get to the end of that, but if I do not, then I will just maintain on P3 for 21 days and then go back into P2. I had purchased the sublingual drops. Jenny had done so well with them, and so have a lot of you. I had been doing injectables, and then I went on Mama Clock's eBay, and I had gotten the kits from her. For those of you that are new to the protocol, Mama Clock, very important to check her stuff out. She also has her website, for her eBay and what to order for kits. Also, some other people to check out too for the YouTube is Mumsy. She is great. She is very upbeat. She's funny. Tons of recipes. Very helpful. Just a sweetheart. Just love you, Mumsy. You're just a doll. So, mwah. Anyway, so please check her out. Also to Jenny Mathis. She is an inspiration to me. She I don't know, I just feel like I can really relate to some of the things that she's talked about, especially about being in front of a video camera doing a vlog and seeing yourself. Really hard to do. It's really hard to do. It's there's been a couple times I have videotaped myself and deleted, and I thought, I just can't put that on there. But anyway, Jenny has given me the inspiration to do all this. She is great. Check her stuff out. I would say she's an HCG cheerleader. She's very supportive. She gives messages to people. She's awesome, and she's one to watch and ask questions for too. So big hugs to you, Jenny. Also, Tom has some good recipes, and he's been playing around a lot with the P3 stuff. He's been trying to do different things with that. Tom, good luck with everything there, and keep watching you. Good luck with stuff. Also, let's see. Oh, Yolanda, you are such a doll. I have really had liked watching what all you've wrote down and with your paper and everything that you've said and stuff you've gone through. And I like how you've detailed the different things you've had, from Mac nuts to everything. Very informative. That's helped me make a few decisions on my own. Also, it looked like you, on one of your vlogs, you said something about Nebraska. If you're there in Nebraska, I am just a neighbor to the north of you. That would just be great if we ever got close by sometime. Be good to see you. So anyway, I am going to be putting down a link to, it was a blog spot. This one gal, I can't think of what her name is right now, but she has, it's called The Lighter Side of Low Carb or something, She has tons and tons of recipes and the most inventive ways of doing things that you would never think of doing and using. P3 friendly and beyond. Some P2, like I said, just look at all the ingredients and everything, but unbelievable. I thought, wow, what a treasure trove. So I will put that down at the very bottom of my description stuff so you guys can take a look at that. Oh goodness, there's so many of you guys out there that I have been watching, and it's been great. Thank you guys for subscribing to me. And for you guys that are new at this, either waiting with angst for your HCG or you're just starting out on this, make sure that you read pounds and inches and check out the vlogs. Guys, have a good Valentine's Day. Bye.